Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm doing a home decor video. It's going to be a decor for my hallway. So I'm decorating my hallway and also I'm decorating my bench. So I bought a bench at Marshall's. The last time I went to Marshall's, I did a Marshall's haul and I got a bench and another piece of furniture and some other stuff, and I'm going to decorate it today. I'm choosing my hallway because I don't have enough space by my entryway for my bench, and I already have my entryway decor, so it's going to be for the hallway, more space, and my hallway is bare. So all right, so we're going to go over the items I got that I'm going to be decorating with that I haven't went over previously, and we're going to get started. Please go ahead and smash that subscribe button and also give me a thumbs up for this video if you did enjoy it. Also share and comment. All right, so I don't have anything in the hallway. I'm going to get each item that I have right here in my living room and I'm going to start to decor. This is the first piece. I think I already went over this piece with you guys on a previous video, but I'll do it again. This is with my purchase, one of my home goods haul. So it was $14.99. All right, so I'm going to put this right here. Well, I already have the nails and everything in the positions that I need them to be in. And the other pieces, it's actually one piece, but it's three separate pieces, one purchase, I meant to say. I got this from Walmart. I forgot how much I paid for it. I think it maybe was like anywhere from $10 to maybe $17, so somewhere around there. So I'm gonna put this right here. And I'm going to grab the other piece. This was an old-time pottery purchase. And it says be still. And I got it for $49.99. And this is going to go on this wall over here. Okay guys, I don't remember if I got this from Old Time Pottery. I believe that's where I got this piece from, right here. Old Time Pottery. I know for sure I got this from Home Goods because it does say Home Goods on the back. And it's $24, what does it say? $24.99. That's this piece that says stay anchored. I like that because I'm a beach girl and I like beachy stuff as well. So this is going to go here, and I like the message, stay anchored. It's very inspirational. So that's going here. And now for the bench. This is the bench I got from Marshall's. And I took the price tag off, but it was $99, I believe. $99.99. Either $99 flat or $99.99, but I know it was $99. So I'm putting my bench right here. And I chose this bench because it to me was like the perfect size for this hallway, because this hallway is not that wide. So they had a little bit wider bench but I figured this would be perfect for this space right here. All right, next piece I'm gonna be adding to the hallway is this. I bought this basket a while ago, and I believe it was at Walmart, and I also bought these things in it. I believe it was also Walmart. It's been a while, but you could get these at Walmart, Home Goods, anywhere that they have home decor items, you could get that there. And the basket. So I put it right there. And this throw I got from Target. To be honest with you, don't remember the collection. Yeah, which is not good, but I did get it from Target. It could be Project 62. I believe that was the collection. And yeah, I recently got this throw. So I'm gonna put it on my bench. Like so. I just want to point out that I like how unique the bench was designed. It's not just a plain bench. It has a nice design on the top of the bench, which I really do like. And I'm gonna get some throw pillows, and I'll be right back. All right, so you guys saw these throw pillows in my Target haul. And in my haul, I did mention how much they were. I don't remember right now, so go back and watch that Target haul video. And I mentioned that I like them because they would add a pop of color to any room, and so I did get them. So I'm going to put it right here, like so. I like to have baskets throughout the house for my pillows and my throws. And this one I got from Home Goods, this basket. And I believe it was like $19. I really do like it. I like the white that's weaved into it. I like the brown, and I like this little thing right here. It's really cute. And so I have some pillows in, throw pillows in there for storage, and so I keep it right here. And voila, I just decorated my hallway. So I'm gonna grab the camera from my lovely daughter who was assisting me. She doesn't feel too well, so she doesn't want to be on camera right now, and I'll show you guys the hallway. All right guys, so here it is. So here's my stay anchored. I did paint this hallway recently to a nice, light, soft, not too light, yellow color. And so here we are. There is the basket, the bench, and the basket underneath as well. And this wall decor here, Be Still and Know, which is a faith-based inspiration wall decor. Yeah, so this is the hallway, guys. Yes, I hope you guys liked it. See how narrow my hallway is? Yeah. So I hope this was inspirational for you guys. I had fun decorating my hallway, and I had fun going over my haul with you guys, my recent hauls that I was able to find these items at. And if you have a hallway to decorate, a bench is a perfect addition to your hallway. And just be creative. And I hope this was inspirational. Thank you so much for watching my channel and spending time with me. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share. It really does help my channel out a lot. All right, until I see you guys in the next one. Bye.